In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a carousel post in Adobe Express. Carousels are a great way to tell a story across multiple slides, and Adobe Express makes the process quick and flexible. I'll walk you through creating your project, designing the slides, and exporting everything in the right format for your platform. Start by opening Adobe Express and creating a new project. You can pick a ready-made template if you want a head start, or set a custom size that fits your platform. For Instagram, a square canvas at 1080 by 1080 pixels is a solid choice. If you're designing for another platform, just choose the dimensions that work best there. Before you dive in, think about your overall message and the number of slides you'll need so the story flows naturally from start to finish. Begin designing your first slide. Add your headline, supporting text, images, backgrounds, and any graphics that reinforce your message. Aim for clear hierarchy. Make the main takeaway easy to read at a glance, and maintain good contrast between text and background. Keep margins consistent so nothing important gets cut off in the feed. Next, add more pages for additional slides. In the editor, look for options like Add Page, the plus Add button, the Pages panel, or duplicate and resize if you want to scale an existing layout. Duplicating is handy when you want to preserve your fonts, colors, and alignment for a consistent look. If you want a different layout, start with a blank page and build it out. Customize each slide so it advances your story. Adjust text, swap images, and tweak backgrounds. You can copy and paste elements between slides to keep branding aligned, like logos, headers, or footers. As you go, check that spacing and sizing remain consistent, and that each slide feels connected to the last while still offering something new. When all slides are ready, it's time to export. You can export all pages at once or select specific ones. Choose separate images, JPG or PNG, if you're posting as a standard carousel. PNG is great for crisp graphics and text. JPG can keep file sizes smaller. If your platform supports it, you can also export as a PDF. Make sure the slides are named or ordered correctly so uploading is seamless. Finally, upload to your social platform, Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn, by selecting your images or PDF in the correct order. Preview the sequence, confirm that crops and text look clean, and publish. And that's your carousel, designed and ready to engage your audience.